Hi, morning. 안녕하세요, 여러분. GM Traders. Konnichiwa. Ohayou gozaimasu. This morning is well good, not bad. Looking at the charts today, we are having a red folder here. USD pair, unemployment claims coming in at 3:30 p.m. Turns out to be having the CHF and the GPB 2 p.m. which we are expecting to have a ripple effect on our pair. Yesterday was June 10th. And we saw that from during the London session there was just consolidation in the markets. To our charts, it is as if the price is creating a three control from this particular point, and if you don't close the back on this OB over here, the demand zone, you may as well see this price continue pushing to the bullish. Though on the weekly, as it is on Thursday, we have only one day to trade, we are seeing that price is bullish. Are we going to close bullish? Only tomorrow will tell us, since we'll be having a lot of news coming in. Over to the 4-hour chart. For the 4-hour chart, we are seeing that we had established that invalid sell entry over here, and we had an invalid buy entry. Thus, with the break of this OB over here, we are seeing this price wanting to continue to the upside. Thus, we had a retest level over here. Asian session, we tried to have the retest there, but the price seems not to have enough liquidity to continue to push the upside. Over the 1 hour, we are seeing the price is breaking this demand to bits, and we are seeing this demand is not holding price, as we had established the recount rule from this particular point or level, from this particular point, but the price never failed to hold, and that's resulting to an invalid buy over here, meaning what? Price is more likely to push to the downside. Over the 30 minutes, we are seeing the sell side liquidity still forming, and with this still forming, we are more likely, I had this particular point or this particular level here, so I was anticipating for price coming to this area in order to us to see that reaction of that push to the downside, which is co-aligning or coexisting with the 15 minutes, I believe so. Since on the 15 minutes you're having this AL level, where we need this price to test this particular level for us to continue the push to the downside. Over the 15 minutes time frame is well pretty much forming, but we are seeing that this particular level already formed. Why am I saying that? It is because of this sell entry that was given out during the Asian session. With the break of this demand zone, we need the price to push to the upside, grab some of that liquidity to continue to push to the downside, and for it to grab some of that liquidity, we are seeing that it came to this to test this particular point, to have a retest at this particular point for it to continue pushing to the downside. and that should at least give a little bit of 10 pips before we have another direction printed out. Yeah. But for me, even if I would have seen this particular entry, I would not have entered it. Why? Because my strategy says you need to go to the outermost level. So if this price could have come to this area, it would be in a good clean sell-off. Over the 5 minutes, our main chart. Over the 5 minutes, we are seeing the breaking of these particular levels and points, and this is, I love what the price is doing here, and I love it to the fullest. Though we had a break of this, area, I was anticipating for this price to come, test this particular point to continue push to the downside, to the upside. But as we are seeing, the selling pressure is more than anticipated. Meaning what? We are having that selling pressure coming in high. And so another thing, we are seeing this trendline liquidity, a bearish one for a matter of fact, and you're seeing price came into this particular point having that rejection. I don't think I have anything else to say or much to say, but I will be just reading my strategy, looking for buys and sell. So I want you to note down something here. Since yesterday was Juneteenth, we were having this range over here. No, not a range, but a consolidation over here. Since this is not a tradable range, we are having this consolidation over here, and every time you are coming into the up push, up push, up push. Now we are saying we are having a break. Let me have it over here. We have had a break to the downside, not once but twice as a matter of fact, and meaning what? This price is more likely to push to the downside, though we have to be careful about the news that will be coming in during the ripple effect news that will be coming in during 10:30 and 2 p.m. Also remember at 3:30 p.m. you'll be expecting the unemployment claims, which will stir conflict on the markets or stir volume or volatility in the markets. That's what's up with the analysis, and see you tomorrow. Yeah.